how to turn on and off Clipboard on Android phone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very easy to go ahead and do this. So well, the first thing you can go ahead and do is go over to your settings application, scroll all the way down to general management, and then you just want to go ahead and find keyboard. Now for whatever keyboard that you're doing this with, let's say I'm going to do like Samsung keyboard. I see a lot of different things, and just look for a clipboard section, right? And I only see save screenshots clipboard. If I say I was using something like Gboard, I would just go ahead and click on it, then just go ahead and click on clipboard, and I can choose if I want it on or off right here. Now what I could also go ahead and do is if I want to use the clipboard and use it while I'm find it while I'm using it on a certain application, go to whichever application, and when I have my keyboard open on the very top, I'm going to see a few different icons. Click the little clipboard icon, and then it shows anything I have right here, so I can click on anything, and that's it. It'll be good to go. Now I can also go ahead and delete things if I want to, like so. I can go ahead and delete anything, and yeah, you'll be good.